So if you thought Alaska wasn't going to represent in this whole burnout challenge, you'd have lost money on that bet. With a whole yard full of rattly old death traps, we got to find the one perfect for the job. I believe we found our winner. Oh man, look. This is one of those super rare high performance frost cooled 22Rs. I mean, look at that. And if it overheats and overflows, we're safe. I really ought to run 2-stroke gas more often. You can find where all your fuel leaks are. All right. Oh man, we're gonna have a cold start and a burnout in the same video. She's just got to pump that gas up. Oh yeah. Multi-purpose hood prop. All right, we're in our operating position. Now, we've got all aspects of safety going on here. So in other words, none. But got her set up on a nice thick piece of plywood there. She's not locked in the rear, so it's going to be a one-tire fire. But it's gonna be good. And you know, this is just totally meant to be, because this tire was flat. It's kind of tough getting out, but that'll keep us from, you know, getting away into the trees over there, or, you know, putting another bend in the bumper. So that'll be good. And that side's chalked, so we're just ready to go. And look, the tires even got the right idea. I mean, the brand says it all. Fire. And I sure don't see any safety concerns whatsoever. I mean, the gas tank is right there and the filler is right there. But we got a nice safety margin here. I mean, we got room to play. Let's get this show started. had a little bit of a power transition there. Figured it would light it up on the plywood side here, but no. Went for a little bit, then she transitioned over to the driver's side here, and we dug all the way to frozen gravel. But look at that. She popped. There we go. And on the right side, got all the carbon out of the motor too. So, you know, there's benefits to all this fun. And then sent her out and got her stuck. They don't drive too good with two flat tires on one side. But hey, it's a Toyota. She's good. And I needed an excuse to put bog tires on it anyway. And we're just representing with the colors back here. So, there you have it. All right, well, there's your Alaskan Toyota send-off for 2020. Hope everyone enjoyed that little bit of fun there. So, yeah, Happy New Year. And cheers to a better year than this one's been. But what a way to send it off. Nice to see all the YouTube channels getting together and doing something. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys later.